In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Basketball Zero on controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Basketball Zero can be played with any controller. You can do this on a PC when you connect an external controller, or through a console. When you join the experience, it should automatically default to the controller buttons. So I'm going to do this on a PC. I have a generic Xbox controller connected, and I'm going to showcase this in a private server. You can join a public one, and you will be able to play regardless. When you join the experience, you will have some pop-ups, and you can navigate through them by pressing select on your controller. Of course, if you don't have an Xbox controller, maybe a PlayStation controller instead, the buttons might be different. But to navigate through this, you simply pull up this cursor that you can find by pressing select or share. Now you can walk around with the left joystick, move your camera with the right joystick, and you can use the cursor to navigate through all of the options. So you can go inside of styles, zones, go into your locker, and so on. When you want to play, you highlight this first option here and join a side here in this match. You can see that all of the buttons are displayed at the bottom right corner of the screen. So if you are ever unsure of what a specific button does, you just have to take a quick glance at the bottom for your skills or the bottom right for all of the actions. So dunk, dribble, steal, pass, shoot, call, and your emote wheel. It is very simple. So you just follow the instructions there and you will be able to perform all of them here. You can see that all of the buttons have changed to the controller standard. So I'm using an Xbox controller, so I see X, I see Y, I see right bumper, left bumper, and so on. But of course, if you were playing on a PlayStation console instead, you would see those buttons. So just join the experience and the controllers, or rather the controls, should automatically change. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.